The secret of gardening that no one has ever shared. Have you ever asked for tips or advice on how to grow a particular plant and it didn't really work for you? Have you attended gardening workshops and talks but only to find out that those tips that made others successful but not you? That is because the real secret of successful gardening is not the tips or advice or a secret way that you can make plants grow really well for you. Many gardeners are going round in circles, wasting a lot of time trying to find out the best tips and advice to make their plants grow well. So what's the real secret of gardening? Let's find out. The real secret of gardening is understanding what gardening really is. To all gardening gurus and successful gardeners, they all know something in common. It is not about plants and it has nothing to do with them, simply because we cannot control how they grow. We cannot tell them to grow leaves every week or flower every month. What gardening really is, it is all about providing plants the ideal environment for them to grow well. And plants only grow well in their preferred environment. And every garden has a different growing environment. Some of them grow plants in the garden, some grows in balcony, and others in corridors and many more. So every different kind of environment has different kind of conditions. This is exactly why specific tips and advice don't work for you, simply because they have a different environment from you. Some water their plants many times a day because their environment is really dry. But for others, growing the same plant, they only water once a day as their environment is more humid and wet. And their plants will grow just as well. So, the first step of becoming a better gardener is to understand your environment well. Find out the growing conditions in your environment. Is it very sunny? Is it humid? Or is it just very dry and windy? Right? With this knowledge, you will be able to select the right plant, give them the right growing conditions, and they will eventually grow well for you. This is exactly how many gardeners become really successful with their plants, because they know exactly what they can grow, what they cannot, what they can change and what they cannot change, and what they have to change in order to grow a particular plant. In the next few videos, let's talk about what are the growing conditions that you should look out for and what makes up an ideal environment. Make sure you click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss out any of this video. This information will help you to become a better gardener. Check out more videos on the right hand side of my YouTube channel, and you will have a lot more information like skills, essential knowledge, and how to grow a particular plant well. So until then, I will see you in the next video.